What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car cleaning gun on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Ontel Car Wash Cannon Foam Blaster Nozzle Gun for Car. Optimum effective car cleaning. The Ontel Car Wash Cannon is a professional quality car washing system that features revolutionary foam blasting technology to make washing your car quick and easy. Just attach it to your hose and start blasting. Replaces manual cleaning. This specially designed foam gun car pressure washer features 5 spray settings, so there's no more scrubbing with a sponge, brush, or mitt to get that hand wash shine. Simply spray and rinse and get your car shining like new. Easy to use car cleaner. Attach the car wash cannon to your garden hose, add liquid soap, and spray your dirty car clean with the thick cleaning foam. Then turn the dial to the rinse setting and wash the soap away from the car's exterior. Thick foam sprayer. The powerful foam dispenser and power washer infuses massive amounts of air into the soap and water to create a blanket of thick foam, just like a professional car wash. Cleans every part of the car from the windshield to the body. No residue. Air charge cleansing foam lifts dirt and dust from the surface and rinses it away without leaving behind any film or residue. Use it on your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, ATV, and more. Car Wash Cannon is the professional quality car wash system with revolutionary foam blasting technology. Just spray and rinse. No more painstaking scrubbing with sponges or mitts or expensive car washes to get that hand washed shine. Simply attach Car Wash Cannon to virtually any garden hose, add liquid car wash soap, and spray your dirty car clean with the thick cleansing foam. Then just turn the dial to the rinse setting and wash the soap away to reveal your clean car. Car Wash Cannon infuses massive amounts of air into the soap and water to create a blanket of thick foam. Just like a professional car wash, this air-charged cleansing foam lifts dirt and dust from the surface and rinses it away without leaving behind any film or residue. Use Car Wash Cannon on your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, ATV, and more. In our list, the number 4 product name is Adams Polish's Standard Foam Gun Car Washington. Cost effective. No pressure washer needed. Makes a great gift looking to coat your vehicle in a layer of suds but not wanting to break the bank. Adams Standard Foam Gun is very effective in cleaning your car. With every wash, Adams Foam Gun gives you a copious amount of car wash soap foam combined with the water pressure of your garden hose. It's not as foamy as Adams Foam Cannon, but its cleaning power is still very impressive. Incredible amount of suds. This unique design offers a quick connect hose nozzle to let you get back to rinsing your wheels, tires, other exterior components without dousing them with shampoo. Adams Standard Foam Gun produces rich wash foam for increased lubricity to avoid any unwanted scratches during your car wash. Use it on all parts of your vehicle, such as your headlights, trim, and car glass windows. 32-ounce canister for extended car cleaning. Adams Foam Gun makes the perfect gift and becomes a weekly ritual that the entire family can enjoy. When using the foam gun for optimal results, we recommend adding your water first, then 4 to 5 ounces of your favorite car shampoo to thoroughly mix through the 32-ounce canister. If you're using Adams Mega Foam, we recommend 2 to 3 ounces. Wide fan sprayer for maximum coverage. When setting up your car wash foam gun, you'll have the option of 3 separate metering tips to control just how much soap you want to run through. We recommend the most. The wide coverage will cut down your wash time significantly and allow you to focus on the more tedious aspects of washing and letting the larger chunks become a breeze. 110% satisfaction guarantee, USA made. At Adams, we strive to bring the best car cleaning supplies, car cleaning kit, washing accessories, microfiber cleaning cloth or towels, waxes, sealants, ceramic coatings, mops, brushes, mitts, sponges, garage tools, applicators, other high-quality car cleaning products to the car care industry. If you're not satisfied, let us know. We'll do everything we can to make it right. In our list, the number 3 product name is Tool Daily Pressure Washer Foam Cannon for Car Washington. Tool Daily 1/4 Quick Disconnection Foam Cannon with white container bottle and additional orifice nozzle 1.1 m for foam sprayer. The container bottle has bigger mouth to easily fill in and extra wide neck to prevent crack issue. Easy to install. Fill some soap into the bottle with warm water to get thick foam, then connect 1/4 quick connection plug to pressure washer gun or wand. Specification for pressure washer, 1000 psi to 3600 psi. Finally, adjust the knob to desired foam level and then snow foam lance will disperse thick foam. Additional orifice nozzle backup foam cannon orifice nozzle attacks. 1.1 millimeters orifice nozzle, create thicker foam than original one below 2500 psi. Please use original nozzle if working pressure is higher than 2500 psi. Application. Ideal for motorcycle, car washing, roofs, driveways, siding washing, floors, windows washing. It is best product for detailing trucks or SUVs. Correlation. Hot release, no tips, bucket, filter, sealant, wax, blaster, free garden, jet, wash, plastic generation, warmer care, using ounce design cans, turn vehicle maker, temp, floor, variable, remover guide, tank products, enthusiast connectors, powder device, brush, mix, black. Way, Kiamit's flaw, bubble truck, B-wall, dispenser, mixing chemical container, duty brass, max tip machines, fluid car, hydro flow, suction leader, fittings, heavy package washer system, rinse kit, pot out, hose, dial, guns, bar. In our list, the number 2 product name is Maxshine Snowmaster Foam Cannon. The enhanced snow foam cannon embraces high-quality sprayer assembly and comes with a large 35-ounce water tank with a wide bottle opening of 2.1 inches, allowing for fast and easy fill, and stands firmly with empty water. It helps to produce a nice thick layer of foam on the car, cleaning the vehicle faster and reducing the wash time considerably. Adjustable water spray patterns with 360-degree turning control with casting integrated copper parts construction for firm sealing with resistive material to corrosion from water. The foam cannon provides water pressures between 873,190 psi with a minimum of 1.3 G to 5.3 GM flow rate. You do not need to assemble the unit as it embraces an adjustable 1/4 inch quick disconnect adapter mounted. Specifics, dimensions, and weight: water tank diameter 4.64 inches, foam cannon height 10.4 inches, length of the handle 7 inches, 1.41 lbs. Enhanced Maxshine Snow Foam Master Cannon features a 35-ounce bottle with a wide opening for easy filling and optimal foam generation. Easy attachment, compatible with most pressure washer guns for hassle-free setup. Lightweight, easy to use for car, wall, and garden cleaning, 345 bar equivalent. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guy's Torque Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun. Foamy fun. If you love cars, then a clean car brings you nothing but happiness. The Torque Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun makes cleaning your car fast, easy, and fun for the entire family. It easily hooks up to any standard hose, so there are no additional tools or machines required to produce foamy cleaning fun. Fit type, universal fit. The Detailer's Secret Car Wash Foam is one of the professional secrets to a scratch-free car wash. The Torque Foam Blaster foam gun turns a car wash into a foam bubble bath for your car. Bathing a car with Slick Car Wash Foam removes abrasive dirt particles gently and without grinding them into paintwork. Stop scratching your paint. Over 95% of swirls and scratches come from improper car washing and drying techniques and products. Adding Slick Car Wash Foam to the equation drastically reduces the risk of installing swirls and scratches on painted surfaces. Adjustable foam concentration. The foam gun combines the soapy water solution with air and running water to spray foam. How dirty is your car? Very dirty. Not very dirty. Save soap and water by picking the perfect concentration. Simply turn the dial to adjust the dilution ratio of the soapy foam sprayed from the nozzle. The brand in car care, beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys not only for the finest car care products, but the world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys is more than a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. Satisfaction guaranteed. Our customers love our products, we love our products, and we want to make sure you love them too. The Chemical Guys Foam Blaster 6 foam gun is a fun and easy tool for washing any vehicle. Using the power of your garden hose, the Foam Blaster 6 foam gun creates super suds that help loosen dirt, road grime, and filth for a perfect washing experience. The innovative Foam Blaster 6 was designed for high-performance washing. Simply add 2 ounces of your favorite Chemical Guys car wash shampoo to create exciting car wash foam. The Chemical Guys Foam Blaster 6 foam gun makes washing any car, truck, motorcycle, boat, and RV exciting and easy. The cleansing foam created by the foam gun removes dirt, debris, road grime, and filth while reducing the chances of marring and scratching your paintwork. The Foam Blaster 6 foam gun allows foam to creep into the tightest spots to remove dirt and grime. The durable construction is built to perform and last for years. Included with the Foam Blaster 6 foam gun is the precision spray handle that allows you to quickly rinse your vehicle with the easy-to-use trigger handle. The Foam Blaster 6 foam gun can make your weekly car wash a foam blasting party. Capacity 32 fluid ounces. Time 20-40 minutes.